You can see we have a designated 815 Bosch test bench that we use for testing our CP3s. Obviously, you can only do one at a time. This one right now is running on low speed just to keep the noise down and just so I feel comfortable with it, so you can actually hear what I'm saying and stuff. But you can see we got the high pressure line hooked to it. We bypassed all that filter and stuff. We just use that for flushing the pumps out before we start testing them, just to get all the assembly lube and everything out of them. We run them through a filter and flush it, get all the air out of it, stuff like that. So this one here will run for about half an hour, checking pressures, making sure it's good, because there is some ports on there that are under high pressure, and we did have them apart, so we want to make sure that there's no leaks on the pump, stuff like that. This particular one is I believe is a stock reman. So this is our stock rebuilt CP3 pump. We do have a performance CP3 that we use for the higher horsepower race application, competition, guys building over 700 horsepower, let's say, they'll put 2 CP3s on or run just our big 12 mil stroker pump. So we have a couple of different CP3 options for you, but the big thing is the quality control, right? It's going to leave it has been tested, it's been checked for leaks, it's been run up on pressure. Again, it's running at low idle right now, but we're going to run it up and test it for everything. So it's been tested, and it left here working perfectly.